What's going on, everybody on YouTube? You already know what's going on, man. You already see what's happening. You already see the title. Y'all see the shoes. These things are beat. You know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna be trying to restore a custom that I did a long time ago. These are supposed to be my custom Nike 270s in the Rastafarian colorway. I did these for an art show live, and yeah, man, on IG, y'all really blew these up. They didn't go viral. I wish they would have, but yeah, man, y'all really did y'all thing when it came down to these when I did them. Yeah, man, if you haven't already, go follow me on IG. Link is down in the bio. You already know what's going on. But yeah, man, these things are super beat. They're super cooked. We're gonna try to get some paint back on here. We have some new products and stuff like that I want to tell you guys about. That way, you guys can go and get this stuff for yourself. And if you do customs, they can be, you know, more sturdy, more reliable, and the paint will not come off like these. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all some up close footage on these things, because these things, I let my little brother wear them, and these things are. He roasted these things. He wore them like I was supposed to do, you know, but yeah, man. Let me get y'all to that footage. Let's go. But yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, these things are fried. They're cooked. We're gonna try to bring them back to life with the one and only Rejuvenated. If you guys have not tried this stuff, man, this stuff is really good. It's really strong, really concentrated. It comes with 3 different brushes designed to do different things. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't already, go ahead and watch the last shoot that I did where I cleaned up some shoes and I talked more in detail about these brushes and all that stuff. But yeah, man, we're not gonna, you know, make this super long. We're gonna get right into it, man. We're gonna start off with the stuff that we got in our bowl of water, our solution, our brushes, and our microfiber towel to wipe them down. And matter of fact, I think I'm probably gonna do this shoe. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do this shoe, take a shoe tree, you know what I'm saying, put that in there, but let's just get to it. Alright, y'all, as you can see, that first brush really did a good job at getting most of the dirt off. That looks better already. Literally, I wish you guys could see it in person. It looks better already. The yellow is back vibrant, but I think, you know, that medium bristle brush will probably get some of the deeper stains out. Hopefully it does not fray this fly knit material. We're gonna give it a try, and hopefully we don't damage the sneaker. They're looking super clean already. Soles are looking better, but you know, it's white soles and they do have some deep stains on them, so you can only do so much. Next, I'm gonna be trying the medium bristle brush. It's a little bit harder, not too much harder than the soft. The soft did a really good job of loosening up all of that that easy to access dirt. So that's what it's used for. It's used for getting off, you know, just that first layer of dirt. Any deeper stains, you want to go with this brush right here, which is the medium bristle brush. I'm going to be dipping it in the solution. You know what I'm saying? Wiped it off with our microfiber towel. So let's get to it. Let's go. As you guys, they are, I would say they're a little bit cleaner. The medium, I'm dropping the shoe. The medium bristle brush did help with the midsoles a little bit, but the uppers are pretty much clean. You know what I'm saying? That's just about as clean as you're gonna get them. That is what it is. But I will say this, notice how the shoe does not have any bleeding from one part of the shoe to the next. That lets you know that I set the hell out of these colors. So yeah, man. What we're gonna get into next, we're gonna let this shoe dry, and then we're gonna be getting into repairing this right here. And I got a new a new product I want to introduce you guys to that's really going to help this custom be, you know what know what I'm saying, it's more sturdy when it comes to paint. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so now you guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go after these midsoles and these bottoms. We're gonna try to clean these as best we can with the stiff bristle brush. That's what this does. It's really, really stiff. You hear that? You can hear it crackling. Watch that. You hear that crackling? You know what I'm saying? So that means this brush is very stiff. We're gonna try to clean these bottoms and get this midsole as clean as possible. Let's go. Let's get into that. I'm sweating. This is no joke. Alright, let's see how it looks. Not bad. Not bad. It could be better. But not bad overall. These stains have been sitting. Midsoles look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. They look a whole lot better when you hit them with that stiff bristle brush. But bottoms look pretty clean compared to the old bottoms. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, not too bad. Whole lot brighter, as you can see. But yeah, some stains are setting, so I couldn't get them. Like there's one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's one right there, and along the bottom on this side. But bottoms look pretty clean. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care too much for the bottom shoes. I don't really care how they look per se. But yeah, that is what it is. Oh, another thing, man, make sure you clean your laces. These laces are filthy. So yeah, we're gonna clean those real quick, and then we're gonna get out of the way, and we're gonna let this shoe dry. I'm gonna actually set this off to the side and let that dry right now. And we're gonna clean these shoelaces. Let's get it, let's go. Alright, y'all, we back. The shoe is dry. As you can see, total difference in the way these shoes look from each other. You know what I'm saying? Still some deep stains in there. But you know, like I said before in the last video, we only have the kit with just the brushes and stuff like that, so it's not gonna be 100% clean if like you had the laundry kit. But yeah, man, we're gonna get back to doing this. We're gonna be using Angelus red paint, laying it down on these areas, and we also have a new product called Liquid Kicks Finishers. So I have all of them. Dang, I have all of them. The matte, the gloss, you know what I'm saying? The which ones is this? Factory finish. I might use the factory finish on this one, but I usually use the matte, and then we have the flat finish. So you have flat, matte, gloss, factory. You know what I'm saying? 4 finishers. They're all really, really great to use. But yeah, man, let's get into it, man. I'm not gonna waste too much time. Let's get into putting some paint on these things. See, that part is done, looking real good. Now I'm about to apply the Liquid Kicks Factory Finish. All right, I'm gonna leave a link to this Down below, go copy some. It's some of the best finisher. It is the best finisher on the market today. So go ahead, copy some, get you some Liquid Kicks. Shout out to you, man. As y'all can tell, look at the difference. Look how glossy that is in comparison to this. So this has a slight shine, but it's still kind of dull. This one's just completely shiny. Look how shiny that is as comparison to this. So yeah, quality stuff.